the last greetings in Spanish video, I taught you 10 Spanish greeting words. And in today's video, I will teach you 10 more Spanish greeting words. Are you all ready? So let's start it. The first word is thank you. In Spanish, thank you is known as gracias. If someone says you gracias, then you will reply as welcome. Welcome is known as de nada in Spanish. The next word is nice to meet you. It is known as mucho gusto or encantado for masculine and encantada for feminine. Now let's move to the other word. The next word is see you soon. It is known as hasta pronto in Spanish. Always remember that in Spanish, H letter, if it's at the beginning of the word, then it is silent. Like hasta, helado, ache. Ache means H and helado means ice cream. So these have H in the beginning, but they are silent. So it will sound like hasta. Pleased to meet you or pleased to know you is known as un placer conocerte. Un placer conocerte. The next is see you later. It is the same as see you soon, but it is hasta luego. The next word is goodbye or bye. It is known as adios or ciao in Spanish. The next is welcome. It is welcome to some place. If any guest comes to your house and you welcome them, so that is the welcome. This welcome is known as bienvenido for masculine and bienvenida for feminine. The next word is may I come in. It is known as puedo entrar in Spanish. Now, here we come to the last word. It is please. In Spanish, please is known as por favor. Let's repeat all these 10 Spanish greeting words once again. Thank you, gracias. Welcome, de nada. Nice to meet you, mucho gusto or encantado for male and encantada for female. See you soon, hasta pronto. Pleased to meet you or pleased to know you. Un placer conocerte. See you later, hasta luego. Goodbye or bye, adios or ciao. Welcome to some place, bienvenido for male and bienvenida for female. May I come in? Puedo entrar. And the last, please, por favor. Now, in the last video, I taught you 10 Spanish greeting words. In today's greetings in Spanish video, I taught you 10 more Spanish greeting words. And in the next video, I will teach you 10 more Spanish greeting words. So, till then, if you want more Spanish learning videos, please like and share all my Spanish learning videos. Also, wait, 1 second. Here is the interesting part for you all. There is an assignment for you. What you have to do is, I will ask you 2 questions. Como te llamas means what is your name, and cuántos años tienes means how old are you. उसके बाद आपको Spanish में, you have to reply in Spanish in the comment box below. Also,